This is Cynthia Russell, the Resident Relations Manager here at T&H Realty Services. In this video, we want to go over the move-out process. The move-out process really starts once you provide notice at the resident portal. Once you provide notice at the portal, our system will send you an auto notifier containing important information about the move-out process to whomever provided notice. So, if the spouse or roommate provides notice at the portal, you will not receive a copy of this notification. It is very important that the person who has received the confirmation forward the email to you so that everybody is on the same page. This auto notifier provides a link to our move-out process page, which is located within the resident resource page. There are 4 important items on this page that you will want to review. First is our move-out instructions. Please take a moment to go over these instructions. There are some very important items listed on this page that you will need to ensure that you follow. Number 2, cleaning checklist. We provide a cleaning checklist to aid you in the cleaning of your home. We do expect the home to be thoroughly cleaned upon vacating. Please note that per our lease agreement, we do require that all carpets be professionally cleaned by a truck-mounted steam cleaner. We also require that you provide a copy of the carpet cleaning receipt to the office. Number 3, security deposit tips. We want to refund your deposit to you, but in order to do that, certain requirements do need to be met. This page provides helpful information in order to maximize your security deposit return. Number 4, normal wear and tear. Unfortunately, Indiana does not do a great job of defining what normal wear and tear is. However, after doing this for so many years, we have developed some great best practices regarding wear and tear. Please review this page to gain better insight into understanding what we consider normal wear and tear. We will be in touch during the final days of your lease term, and we will send various reminders about the move-out process. Thanks for watching, and we will be in touch.